Hey there. Thank you so much for see my work. The project Rhetorics I was developed for my client. The vision was they have already created a software which organize all of the data from unorganized data. So basically they was built the software and they want to show on the world. So they just want to create a website to display all of the information for their software. For that, we've created from Team's lab, and let's go through all of this. That how it work, how all of these are controlled or managed. So first of all, we have um, organized the menu bar here, which link are most important, and in thumbnail in hero image area, we have focused the basically for buying CTA and other important image here. So if I scroll a little bit, these all are their working process. Like from messy input, it just analyze all of the data and exports the high quality data here. So right now it's also in progress. So we're just working on the image here, but it will be complete as soon. All right. Then if I go the next here, this is their another working process that streamed connectivity inside. First, it will connect all of the data. After that, this will analyze the data, and after that, after analyze everything and using AI, they will finally generate the analytics inside and valuations. So it display here, and if we go after that, this section was basically that how they will provide to our their customer, like for aspiring entrepreneurs, the business owners will be use their product, and the retail owners also or investors also will use their product. So for that we was created that section and a footer, and let's go to other pages one by one. And after that it has business owners page, where we was display created this page only for the business owners. All right, so let's just drive one by one. First of all, it has a title, the main title and their copy here, and then the value card or value list which they are providing to their owners or their customers, like the working process they follow. So this section is here, and just a footer normal. All right, then if we go just next, which is for investors, so this page was dedicatedly designed for only investors. Here was the similar thing, a title and a copy or description, and then the working process, like creating funnel, then portfolio dashboard, all are conceptual here. The main software do basically everything. It's only for presentational purpose, this website. All right, so if we go next it has operator buyers. Basically this page has created only for operator buyers. And if we see one by one, similarly, a title and description for operator buyers, and the value they are providing to operators. All right, so this page is for this, and finally it has footer. And if we go how it works, this is basically page for how their software works. So they have showed all of the activity that how it works. So title, description, and the process. It's like timeline. For step one, they will connect all of the data, and in step two, their structure all of the data and they will review using AI. And step 3, they evaluate all of the data, and finally step 4, they translate and grow. So all of the base steps are shown here. So we have just created a solution so that they can display all of the informations, and so that it can attract to more client. All right, so let's go to another step, that is product vision example dashboard. So we're already working on here also. The work is ongoing here, but this we have created this only for um, showing the example dashboard of their software or apps. So we have just created a hero area. Background image will be placed here. I have not completed this yet, but this is the email that if anyone wants to subscribe here and there wants to try the software for free, we will get all of the data. For that, we have put this email field here, and for the main dashboard we have shown on this area, and the other like product visions, this is basically for example dashboard. We have created a mockup which was custom mockup, and we have just placed here there all of the image or their info from dashboard. And then SEO markup strategy, backlink, basically this all of the information client was provided to us, and we have created this mockup and other things so that it visualize, user can visualize and buy their software. All right. So footer, and then it has the AI engine. This is also another step. We have not completed the work right now, this page, but this page was for how their engine works, this process. So this image will be replaced and their working process will be shown here, and other things. All right. So the final thing is here, the contact us page. So if any user wants to contact with them, we're just taking all of the her information and we will contact the user later. For this concept, they've developed this part. All right. So this was the base part, and another thing is this website is fully responsive, 100% responsive. Let me show you. So this is the homepage. You can also see if I just select any phone or like iPhone 12 Pro. So if you click here, this site is fully responsive. The structure here is a view. All right. So all of the pages are responsive here. That means it has support for any type of device, and it has also admin area for credential. We're not showing this part, but we have give away so that client manage everything, anything, any content from the admin dashboard area. So this was the full overview of this project. uh, yep, that's it. So maybe we can discuss about your requirement if you need on future with our service, to our service. So thank you so much for giving your valuable time on this video, or seeing my portfolio, our portfolio on Teams Lab. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All right.